Okay, so for going over the graphs of the orders, for zeroth order you have your graph here, and so for zeroth order you have just concentration, let's say A, over time, and then it's going to be negative. The K is going to be negative, and then you can also know what K is because if you know the formula for zeroth order, which is AT over A initial equals negative KT. If you know that, like, you can see that K is negative, so then you know that the slope has to be negative. So on a test, if you were given this graph and then they were like, what was is K negative or positive? If you knew the formula, then you know that it's going to be negative. And so then for first order, you have your formula, which is ln A, concentration of A, over time. So the only difference between the zeroth order and first order, the only difference in this formula is that you add ln. And so once you add ln, it's the same thing. K will still be negative, because that's what the formula tells you. And then finally, for second order, you have this, and it's 1 over ln A. Oh, I'm sorry, 1 over A, and then over time. And then it's going to be slope up. It's going to have a positive K. And once again, if you know the formula, the formula is 1 over AT is equal to KT plus 1 over A0, A initial. So if you look at the formula, if you look at the formula, K is positive, so it's going to have a positive slope.